Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And this card is for your love guidance, and today we'll be picking one card for the message from your person. So we will see what are these cards as we proceed into the reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fever, and you can contact her. I'll be sharing her link in the description, guys. And Libras, I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity, you can watch that reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have 7 of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, and 5 of Swords. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are making a lot of efforts, doing your best, trying to do your best, and you are expecting some good changes today. Maybe that may be the reason you are working really hard, putting in lot of efforts in your work or in your relationship. You have achieved certain things for yourself and you are dreaming about the next opportunity or the next opportunity for success or next opportunity in this relationship. Maybe you are expecting an answer from this person. You have proposed to them or you have asked them something and you want clarity. And today, maybe you are getting the answers you need today, Libras. There is a friend or a person coming to meet you today, and they are coming with some answers you are expecting. Or for some of you, it may be an unexpected arrival of someone. And this person is here to tell you something important, something that will change the way things are going, that will take you to a particular decision or particular choice today in this relationship. Maybe this person is here to propose to you, or this person is here to tell you something important, maybe their future plans. And it is a good news coming to you, Libras. You need not worry. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. Round and round. So this card just means that in your circumstances today, something is repeating itself. Maybe you are in this state, maybe you are in a circumstance you wanted to avoid this situation, but here you are again. And the reason for this may be the reason for things repeating itself again. Maybe because your response is not different from last time. So instead of reacting today in this relationship, you need to respond. That will break this chain of break this chain or break the cycle of repetition. So something is happening again and again and again in this relationship, and if you want to break away from that, you need to change the way you are responding today. That is the energy here. So it may also be something good. Maybe this person is coming to propose to you. Maybe you have been in this circumstance before. And what is your answer going to be? You need to think clearly and try to assess your situation, maybe from the past, whatever you did wrong, what was the reason for breakup in that relationship. You need to assess that and go for the right response today, Libras. So the message from your person is, you're the only person who truly gets me. So they feel that you understand them clearly. Maybe this may be the love that will work for you, and that may be the reason we have this card here. So maybe you are in some kind of a decision making phase in this relationship. You need to understand that with a little effort from your side, with a little assessment from your side, what will work or what will be the right thing to do. You will see a clear path right ahead of you, Libras, in this relationship. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Libras. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's see what is the first card for you all. I will keep this card aside. For those who chose this card, Tamlin, battle. So in your circumstances today, maybe you're facing lot of struggles, some difficult circumstances are there for you, or it may be for someone you love. But you are a person who is a strong, determined person. So if you make a choice, if you are in a relationship, you stand by this person you love and you support this person no matter what. So this may be your energy or your person's energy towards you. So they support you through thick and thin. Whatever happens, they stand by you and they want to stand by you because they are a trustworthy and reliable person. So maybe for some of you, you are involved in some kind of a lawsuit or some kind of a litigation, something really, something demanding your attention and something that is stressing you a lot. But you are a person who is strong, who is determined, or you have someone strong and determined standing by you, helping you out in this darkest moment of your life and making you feel better. So this person is a good friend and they are someone you can rely on. Or for some of you, you have a friend. It may not be your person, but it may be your friend, a close friend or a sibling who stands by you and who is here to help you through your hard times. And you will come out of this difficulty very soon, guys. That is also what I see. So this is just like some kind of a test or something that is happening to bring about some changes in you or bring about some changes in your circumstances. But these circumstances are not going to last forever. So you can be happy for that. So that is the energy here. with this card, and this may be the time you have a lot of ideas, a lot of vision about your future, what needs to be done, and you will know what will work because you have a lot of experience now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys. It says Rose Quartz. So the energy with this card, maybe in our life we often go through a lot. We face a lot of circumstances, different circumstances, and we often forget what we are, what is our worth, and how amazing we are. And this crystal spirit just reminds us that we are good enough, and we are good enough as we are. No need to change ourselves and no need to compare ourselves with someone else. So we have our own inner strengths that will help us, that will that will amplify our potential and our success, help us in our day-to-day work, help us to be strong, smart, playful, confident, whatever quality we have within ourselves. So we have everything we need, and we need not yearn for something we are not, comparing ourselves with another person. So this crystal spirit card just shows us that we need it just helps us to express love, and this love also includes self-love. So we need to understand that each and every one of us are unique in our own way, and we are just enough as we are. So no need to feel sad or bad for what we are. So when we truly embrace our qualities, we are just going to shine through in our life. So that is the energy here with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.